back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is July's Bellabox. So as per usual, I'm going to go through the box with you, and anything I try before posting, I will add in clips so you can see me using them and what my thoughts were on them. If there's anything that I pull out that I don't use and you want me to review it for you, don't forget to leave a note in the comments for me so I can make sure I do it in a future video. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so this month Bellabox has come in this bluey green packaging. It's almost turquoise color. As per usual, it has the little black packaging with the sticker, and then inside it has what you get for this month in your little box. So let's open it up and see what we've got in here. Alright, so first thing on top is by MCO Beauty, and it is a glitter palette. So this is what it looks like. So it is pressed glitter. It is 5 shades, and it can be used on their own by applying with fingertips or applied on top of your eyeshadow for a pop of sparkle. So it'll be interesting to try this one out. It looks really pretty. Everyone knows I love sparkles, so yes, I'm very excited to have a play with this. I just hope that it definitely is as good as it sounds. So the next product that I got in here, number 2, is another La Roche-Posay. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's Anthelios XL. So I'm pretty sure it is a sunscreen. That's what I determined when I was reading everything about it online. So I did get this in last month's Bellabox as well. And I did re-gift it on to my mother-in-law. So I will probably re-gift this one to her as well, just because we don't know what is going to happen if I use it. I need to see a dermatologist before I try to use any sunscreens again, because I really need to know what I'm allergic to. So I won't be using this one in today's video, but I will let you know if my mother-in-law has any thoughts on it as well. Okay, next product is number 3, and it is a skin serum, 24-hour youth formula by Zinzino. So it's just 5 mils, and it is serum skincare for face and neck, and apply it morning and night. So I'll do a patch test with this and I will try it on for you guys. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it smells pretty nice. It looks pretty good actually. Let me just squeeze a tiny bit out for you. So I'm not sure if you can see that on there. It's just like a moisturizer. So it'll be interesting to try. This does retail for $135 for 50 mils. So it does say that it improves your elasticity and strength while also reducing fine lines and the appearance of wrinkles. So the active ingredients in this serum protect, repair and rebuild the matrix. So it'll be interesting to try this one. I'm looking forward to trying this one out because we definitely all want to look like we are still youthful. Hi guys, so I'm going to try out this skin serum by Zinzino. So it's a 24-hour youth formula. So it looks like this. It just basically says on the back, just apply morning and night. It's a 5 mil little packaging. I've done a little spot test on my arm yesterday, and I didn't have any reactions. So I've just showered, I've just cleansed my face, I've used my daily microfoliant, and I've just popped a tiny bit of toner on my face, but otherwise I don't have any other moisturizer or anything on there. So I'm going to apply this and I'm going to leave it overnight and see what my skin is looking like in the morning. Okay, so it comes out like a yellowy color. It's quite watery. I've just rubbed it between my fingers and then applying it on. Okay, so that's all on my face now. So I'm going to let it dry and then I will be back to let you know what I think of it so far. Okay, so it's just been about 5 minutes now, so I've just let that soak into my skin. So it's all dry now. So it feels quite nice. It's not really tacky or anything like that. I can definitely feel it on my face though. So I don't normally like that feeling when you can feel it on your face. It lessened down as it dried, but when you first put it on, it did feel like a little bit heavy. I really like it. It looks good on my skin. But the ultimate test is going to be to see what it looks like in the morning. So I will check back with you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it is the next morning now of using this moisturizer. So just thought I'd update and show you what my skin looks like. So this is what it's like. I am a little bit shiny this morning, so I normally don't have this much shine. But it has all soaked in nicely. My skin feels really nice and soft and smooth. I will make a note that overnight I've popped up with a few pimples just around my nose, so I'm not sure if that is like something from like what I've eaten, or if it's a hormonal thing, or if it was from the moisturizer. But yes, I have popped up with some, so just be careful that it could cause breakouts. I'm not too sure if it's definitely the moisturizer or not, so yeah, I thought I'd just make a note of that. So I really liked it. My only downside for it that I found was that it did the whole peeling thing. Like if you rub your skin, it would like peel up. So I noticed I actually had a lot of it on my face from sleeping. Like on my pillow, I could see little bits, and yeah, then it was like sort of looked like as though my face was like dirty from it, like peeling up on the side of my face where I was sleeping. So I didn't like that fact, so I won't purchase this one because of that. But if you're okay with that, then this is a really nice moisturizer. My skin is looking fabulous this morning. So next product I got is by Alpha, and it is 5 mils of essential skin perfecting moisturizer with SPF 15. So it is a 3-in-1 moisturizer, sun shield and primer, combining broad spectrum UV filters with antioxidants, next generation peptides and daily damage defenders, Cureberry and Polyshield to help minimize signs of environmental, digital and photo aging, non-whitening. So that sounds interesting. I will have a look at the ingredients of this one, as I know that a lot of their products my sensitive skin wouldn't do the best on, so I'll make sure I check the products before the ingredients in this before I try it on my face. But it sounds like a really nice sample to try out. Okay, so number 5, I've got 2 products left, so 5 and 6. Number 5 is by Burt's Bees, and it is an ultra conditioning moisturizing lip balm. Just a little packet like this. I've been wanting to try the Burt's Bees lip balms, so I'm very excited because I keep putting off buying anymore because I do have lots of lip balms already that I should really use up before buying anything else. So I'm very excited because I've been wanting to try this for a while, so yeah, I will definitely try this one out. And this is probably, this and the eyeshadows and the next product I'm about to show you are probably the things that I am most excited about in this box. Hi guys, I'm just going to be trying the Burt's Bees moisturizing lip balm. So I've just gotten out of the shower, I've done some exfoliating, I've done a face mask already, and I've washed my hair, so I'm going to let that air dry, and I'm going to give this little lip conditioner a try. So it's ultra conditioning moisturizing lip balm, so rich in butters and oils that hydrate and condition dry lips. So my lips aren't terrible, but they could definitely do with some more hydration, so let's give it a shot. Okay, so this is what it looks like once I've gotten into it. It's just your traditional twist so that you can get more out. So So it looks like this. So let's try it out. It smells like honey, definitely. Not really strong honey, like just a tint of honey. Smells really nice. Oh wow. So that's what it looks like on, and first impressions, wow. I haven't got any other lip balm that feels that creamy when you put it on. It's got a nice shine to it as well, so you can be wearing it out. It just looks like as though you're wearing lip gloss for anybody that loves the glossy look. But so far it feels really nice, smells really nice, applied really nicely. I didn't feel like as though I had to sit there and put tons of layers on to protect my lips. Felt like just that little bit that I put on was plenty. So I'm going to keep trying this, and if I change my mind on it, if I don't like it at all or have any updates, I will add that in. So last product is number 6, and it is by Bean Body. It is a coffee bean scrub with skin loving coconut oil, vitamin E and sea salt in Manuka honey. So I absolutely love coffee body scrubs, love them. I've been using Frank Body for years, and I'm always looking for other ones. I just love to use this to exfoliate. I love the smell of the coffee as well, especially when it's got something like sweet in it, like coconut or vanilla or honey. Just makes it so nice and enriching into your skin. So I'm super excited about trying this one. Hi guys, so I've just used the Bean Body coffee scrub. So I used it all over my body in the shower, and my skin is feeling super soft, nice and smooth. It's feeling really nice. It feels like I don't need to put any moisturizer on or anything like that. It already feels moisturized. The coffee scrub is quite messy, so don't forget that it is messy. You will have to clean your shower afterwards, or if you've got a removable head, then you know, rinse it down so that it doesn't stick around. And if you don't like the smell of coffee, then this product isn't for you. I love the smell of coffee, so I was okay with it. So the only downside I found was the coffee scrub just leaves a residual like layer behind, so it almost looked like when I got out of the shower, it looked like as though I got a very slight tan on my skin. So I jumped back in and I just rubbed it a little bit more, and I did take a little bit more off my arms. I used a bit of a sponge to scrub it off, but otherwise if I didn't do that, then I was touching it and it would like flake off or peel off if you rubbed it too much. So just make sure you get the residual off, otherwise yeah, you will have problems if you touch your skin of it like peeling up. So also I've just noticed there was another HelloFresh discount in here as well. But otherwise, that is what was in this month's Bellabox. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching guys. Bye!